For minutes a day, let's study Korean words one by one. 15.
airplane,
비행기,
비행기,
Once more.
airplane,
비행기,
비행기,
Great, once again.
airplane,
비행기,
비행기,
Well done. Let's practice a few more times.
airplane,
비행기,
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 비행기, airplane,
비행기,
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 Let's pronounce it a few more times.
비행기,
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 비행기.
Excellent. Now let's pronounce them one by one.
비, 행, 기, 비행기, 비, 행, 기,
비행기,
비, 행, 기, 비행기, 비, 행, 기,
비행기.
Very good. Let's practice quietly alone 3 times. You can do it. Let's pronounce it together.
비행기,
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 Good job. Taking a break, let's make a short sentence with this word.
나는 이번 여행에 비행기를 탈 계획이다.
I plan to take an airplane on this trip.
Let's review.
비, 행, 기, 비행기, 비, 행, 기,
비행기,
비, 행, 기,
비행기,
비행기.
Awesome, you are amazing. See you again.